A very good afternoon once again. A very humble greetings to all my dear friends, to all the young people of our Northeast India and all over the India, as well as to all the parents. My name is Aguma Basumotari, and I'm the president of the Mijing Youth Foundation based in Kokrajhar, Assam. I'm sure most of you have already known that the Mijing Youth Foundation is organizing yet one of the biggest so far 3-on-3 basketball tournament for both male and female in Kokrajhar, Assam, and which is going to be held from 16 and 17, which is from tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So basically, we are very excited, and through this medium, we just wanted to announce at the same time, we just wanted to invite all the young people from, especially for those young people who are from the nearby of the Kokrajhar areas like Bongaigaon, Gosaigaon, all the nearby places. So the purpose was that in our places for the youth, right, even among the youth and among the parents also, we had a very strong, a lot of many strong communities in football, in volleyball, even in cricket. But when it comes to basketball, a lot of young people, as well as even the parents, still have a very limited information and limited ideas about this very exciting and very competitive and a global sports, so to say. So that is why through this tournament, which is going to be a prize full of rupees 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 20,000 rupees, the total prize, and which is going, and the participants are going to be from all over all over India, and also a lot of exciting players are going to come, from every state of India, which is going to be a very very exciting tournament. So once again, as I said, that I would like through this medium, I would like to welcome every young people and every parents who are living nearby to come to this place tomorrow from 16, which is going, the time is going to be from 9:30 a.m. in the morning. And through this, I just hope that just like we have all come together and promoted, or we have grown the community of football, let us also grow the community for the basketball, and so that many young people, the upcoming generations, can find a lot more careers and a lot of future in this sports as well. So by saying this, as I said, it's going to be a very very exciting sport. It's going to be a very exciting tournament, which is going to be one of the biggest so far in lower Assam, in India. Yeah. So saying this, as I said, once again, I would like to welcome everyone till tomorrow. So see you all in the court tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. All the best, and once again, welcome everybody. Thank you. Yeah, so we have some special guests. First of all, so first of all, we have some quite good dignitaries, especially the former, the SAI director, Sir Subhas Basumotari, and also we also have from the army departments, the colonels and some lieutenant, they are coming to come and participate with us. And also, they are not just only going to come and participate; they are also going to come and guide the students and guide the young people over here about the jobs and about the career, even in the army side or the defense sector, to the sports area. So yeah, that kind of guests are going to be available out here. Or they're going to come and participate. Yeah. Yeah.
Teams will be there.
The total, as of now, both men and female combined, we are targeting at least 26 teams, and so all these teams are going to be from different parts of India, as I said. And yeah, we have a lot of very very young, exciting girls and women's team as well, who for the first time they are going to play in our Lower Assam competition, and it's going to be a very exciting one.
Is
Yeah.
this price?
Yeah, this is a prize money competition, so total of rupees 1.2 lakhs rupees. And one more thing, a very important thing, that is all of these amounts and all of these prize competitions on this entire event was sponsored by our own BTC government. So we would like to give a heartfelt thank you to Sir Hagrama Mohilari for providing us this amount and for supporting this kind of event for the young people. Yes. Our main objective as an NGO, is to not just only promote the game, but at the same time to build a foundation. Because whenever our young people play among themselves, they will only improve little bit. But when a good player comes from outside, when the good teams comes from the outside, our young people also can see them playing, then can also compete with them, and they can learn and they can get much more exposures into how big and how interesting, and also how big a scope of this sports is. So that's what it is.